Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to update NetBeans 8.2 to 12. First thing first, open your browser like Chrome and go to netbeans.org or directly to the current site netbeans.apache.org. Click on the download or download free button. Now, select the download bundle you want, like full or a specific language version, and when you're done, click the download button under your chosen version. Click Save File and then locate the downloaded installer file and double-click the installer to begin installation. This will help you get a fresh copy installation of the NetBeans, which is the latest version. Install it and you can now launch NetBeans on the latest 12 version. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.